Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to use Laguerre polynomials in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to approximate some sort of unknown function using a bunch of Laguerre polynomials. So you'd like to know how to code these Laguerre polynomials in MATLAB. So I'll be showing you how to use Laguerre polynomials in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. For this, the first thing I'm going to do is type sims x, and this essentially turns x into a symbol in MATLAB. So as we know, MATLAB usually gives a numerical output. It doesn't give an output in terms of variables or symbols, but if you say sims x, then x now becomes a symbol in MATLAB, and the answer that MATLAB gives you will be in terms of x. So as you can see here in this command window, we've got an answer in terms of x, where x is a symbol. So that's basically what we're doing here so that we can get an actual answer for whichever Laguerre polynomial that we'd like. Now for the actual Laguerre polynomial, you're just going to type Laguerre L, which is what shows up here, and then a pair of curly brackets, and then the first input in this function is going to be the degree of your Laguerre polynomial, so I'm just going to type 2, and then the next input is going to be the independent variable of your polynomial, so in this case it's x. Now if I run that, as you can see here in the command window, I get an output of my Laguerre polynomial of degree 2, and it has symbol x. And yeah, that's basically it. You can obviously also get the Laguerre polynomial at a certain point by replacing x with a number. And yeah, that is basically it. If you wanted to know how to use Laguerre polynomials in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.